Okay, so this is video 2 for day 7. We are still continuing with day, night, and seasons. This will be Station 2, Part 2 of day, night, and seasons. So you're going to click your practice assignment and make a copy. Okay, so we have some scenarios here, okay? Lots of text. This activity is going to assess your knowledge of how the tilted Earth rotates on its axis, causing day and night, and how it revolves around the sun, causing changes in our seasons. You're going to read each scenario below and identify the students with the correct statements. Take the underlined letter in the names of the students with the correct statements and unscramble them to reveal your code word. And we will record this on our answer sheet. So if we look at the names of each of these scenarios, we can see that the E in Alex, the S in Josh, the N in Sandra, the R in Martin, and the U in Lupe are all underlined. So that's going to help us with our code word. Okay, so it says 5 students were asked by their teacher to provide a statement of something they know about the cause of day and night on Earth, the Earth's rotation and revolution, or the cause of seasons on Earth. Here are the statements made by each student. So we need to identify which students are correct. So Alex said people in the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere experience the same seasons at the same time of the year. Josh says the Earth's tilt on its axis and revolution around the sun causes the seasons to occur. Sandra says the Earth's rotation on its axis causes day and night to occur. Martin says the Earth's rotation on its axis causes seasons to occur. And Lupe says there is more direct sunlight and longer daytime hours in the summer than in the winter. Determine which students made the correct statements and record your answers on the answer sheet, and then explain why the other students were wrong. Okay, so let's look at this. We're going to answer yes or no if the student was correct. So let's look at Alex. Alex again said people in the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere have the same seasons during the same time of year. So in June, in the northern hemisphere, it's summer, and Alex is saying that in June, in the southern hemisphere, it would also be summer. But we know that this statement is false. Okay, so this is an incorrect statement because we experience seasons in opposites. And I always love this fun fact that during December in the northern hemisphere, when some places are having their snowy, white, cold Christmas, places in the southern hemisphere like Australia are having a hot summer Christmas because their summer is during December when our winter in the northern hemisphere is happening. Okay, so let's look at Josh. The Earth's tilt on its axis and revolution around the sun cause seasons to occur. This is correct. Earth's tilt and its revolution around the sun are why we have seasons. Okay? Sandra says the Earth's rotation and its axis cause day and night to occur. Okay? So Earth's rotation does cause day and night and our axis. So it allows certain locations on Earth to have more hours of daylight than others. Okay, so Sandra is also a true statement. She nailed it. Okay, let's look at Martin. Martin says the Earth's rotation on its axis causes seasons to occur. Okay, so keywords like rotation and seasons. Rotation belongs with day and night. Revolution belongs with seasons. Okay, once you have answered whether or not each statement is true or false, you're going to go put the code letter. So for Josh and Sandra, the code letter would be S, and for Sandra, it would be N. Okay, make sure you complete your reflection and reach out if you have any questions.